everybody, welcome to another video. As you can see, we are starting off here in the truck. So you guys know what that means. We are going to the trails finally on the KLX. We'll see how it does with the extra power, and I can tell you it's going to be a fun one. So let's go ahead, get on the road, and I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, here we are. Let's go ahead and unload KLX. So here we are unloaded. We got the KLX here and both of my friends' KLXs right here. So let's go ahead, get on the bike and get to ripping. Here we are. We are on our Dunlop D605s, which are pretty bald in the rear, but they should do alright for today. Let's go have some fun. Like I said, following my two friends here. One of them just got the KLX that I showed you guys when I was getting that FZ-09, and one of them is the one I went to the dunes with FMF here on the right. Let's see how gnarly the trails get today, see if we can carry some speed, see if we can't get into some technical stuff, but I can tell you one thing though, the KLX is ready to go. Alright, looks like we hit our first trail here. Let's go. Oh, sweet, we got shooting going on here. Alright guys, we'll see how much talking I do here. I'm trying to focus on the trails. Catching some air. Whoa, big rocks. He's going over the log, hey? So far the KLX is soaking up all the bumps pretty well. We caught air a few times. The main thing is hitting some of these rocks kind of unsettles the bike a bit. But these hills, KLX lugs up pretty well. So as you can see here, in second gear, lugging up these hills like it's not an issue. Another thing with trail riding here is that you got to pick the right line. A lot of times here I'm picking the wrong line. Whoops. Going over them at a good pace where we're actually picking the front wheel up. Here we go. I guess we're gonna hit some single track next. Rocky stuff now. Alright, the open stuff, nice. Oh yeah, all that torque. Single track, here we go. Whoa, you can't see the ground at all. And there's the logs I'm talking about. Ugh. Yeah, I just hit a log.
Bro, this boomerang went down the first time too.
I almost did. Alright. Note, look for logs. It would help if I've been down this trail before, but I have not, so... Oh, what on earth?
I saw that speed, don't worry about it.
Okay.
Did you go down? What? Did you go down? No. You kind of went down?
I just got off the bike, kinda, yeah.
I made it!
Alright, here we go. Yes, sir.
Did he go down?
Him?
Or you?
No.
Okay.
The front end just washed out a bit.
Dunes really help, huh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's down.
Alright. Up back we go.
Then how do we turn around?
Just back up. Just go into the logs right there. Turn around. Alright, so single track. Good experience here. It'd be a lot easier if I've been on it before, so I know what's coming, but hey, that's alright. The KLX is doing great out here. The suspension is doing pretty good over the nasty stuff like whoops, some jumps. I haven't even touched the suspension yet, so I'm gonna do that in an upcoming video. I'm gonna go ahead and dial in some compression in the front and then compression rebound in the rear. Here come my fellow riders. So KLXs are doing good. This guy has already gone down 6 times.
That was 6.
Oh wow. Well, if you haven't dropped your dirt bike, is it really a dirt bike?
Yeah.
Alright, I guess we're gonna head to some jump. My turn here. Almost. Let's go again. Not too bad, eh? Suspension on the KLX soaking it right up. Next trail here. Second gear lugging up the hill. I think I learned my lesson. I should stay in first gear. If you guys saw that crash video, if you guys saw where I didn't make it up the hill at Toys R Us. Whoa. You good?
Yeah, I hit my knee against the bar.
Okay, we'll get your bike up here. Did you hit front brake or something?
No, a front wheel.
Just washed?
It tried to ride up here and it just...
I've done that a lot today. All right, now we're getting some speed. Which one is it?
That one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh. What a view out here. Look at that trail there. Alright, so he is going to send it off this jump here. Yeah, I guess. See how this goes. Wow. Alright, I think I need to try that. Alright, I think I'm gonna give it a shot. Jeez. We're gonna take a practice run here. That wasn't bad. Can you get one more?
Yeah. Third gear.
Whoops. Alright guys, we got some sends on my part. Now we're gonna get some more on the KLX. Show you guys what this can do.
He's crazy.
He got the one at the top too. He's getting that rev limiter though. Who said you can't jump a KLX? Rap noises in the distance.
Yeah, I want to get a dirt bike. Either a 2-stroke or 450.
I honestly want to get a KX 450. And then, like, I'll be able to do comparisons, but eventually I'll plate it somehow.
Somehow?
Alright guys, here we go. Probably gonna be the last trail of the day. Whoa. What do you guys think? KLX catching air, hitting some off-road trails. With the extra power, I mean, you can just pretty much lug in a bunch of the gears. This is the good stuff right here, guys. Yep.
Nice.
Okay, everybody, we're looking for things called the Fire Brick Road. These trails right here are my favorite trails. A little open, a little bit of speed, but some technicality. Haha, caught some air there. Alright guys, we made it back to the truck here. Good day of riding, fellas.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, that is it for today. We're gonna get the bike loaded up here in the truck. So that is gonna do it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also share it to your friends and those who may enjoy it. And if you're not subscribed, go down there, hit that subscribe button, get the bell on to keep up with all the awesome action like this. We got a pretty sick pack of KLXs here. I think we need to do some more city shenanigans, don't you think, guys? Be sure to go down there, comment your favorite part, what you think about the KLX off-road. I think it's pretty sweet with the power. Suspension and tires are even doing pretty well for being a stock setup. But that is going to do it for today's video. So with that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.
I'm the motherfucking greatest, yeah, I'm the greatest. Bitch, my competition days don't fit that niche. You could try to take a shot at me, I will not flinch. I try to jacket my sound and then I flip that script like I ain't doing no favors. See me walking around with all that moolah, baby. Girl talking to me, telling me that I was a savior. Yeah, I think I'm a taker.